Inverter chargers. Now, this is where systems start to get a little more integrated and simultaneously simplified. An inverter charger combines the inverter, the converter, and the transfer switch all into one compact, easy to use unit. So instead of having separate components doing all different jobs, you just have one inverter. Well, you have one inverter charger that takes the place of an inverter, a converter, and a transfer switch. So when a customer is off grid, it inverts battery power into AC household power. When the customer is plugged in to shore power or a generator, it's going to take that AC power and convert it into DC power for charging the batteries. And then when the power source coming into it, that AC source, when that changes, or when you take away the power coming in, it automatically handles the switch. The other thing that's important with these is the PowerTrak compatibility, like we see in the middle here. If you were here last week, you would have heard me mention this, but it's basically GoPower's communication suite that allows multiple products to integrate into one display. And we'll cover it in more detail next week, but with these, it's a big deal because the inverter charger no longer has to feel almost as an isolated box somewhere in the RV. It's more integrated with the right setup. Customer, everyone, dealers and techs, everyone can view and adjust inverter information through one interface, which is the same as the rest of the power system. So it makes it easier to understand, easier to monitor, and a whole lot easier to support.